pan, add some olive oil. Oil get nice and hot. I'm gonna add our chopped scallions, garlic, add our mushroom pieces. Put out about 2 tablespoons of butter. Give that nice flavor. Add a teaspoon of salt. And some fresh ground pepper. Okay, we're gonna let this cool off, then we're gonna put this in a bowl. Okay, we let our mixture cool down in the bowl, so what we're gonna do is add our grated cream cheese to this. With clean washed hands, always have clean washed hands. That's room temperature cream cheese. So what you wanna do is mix this in really well. I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of shredded and grated Parmesan, fresh, and 1/4 of cheddar cheese, 1/4 of a cup. Right now I'm gonna add like a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. Maybe just a little more breadcrumbs. What we'll do, we'll start stuffing them. Lightly grease and with either oil, butter, cooking spray. I'm using butter. And then place them at the bottom, line them up. What you can do is sprinkle a little breadcrumb on top. Garlic butter, some drizzle it very lightly. What we're going to do is going to stick this in the oven for about 25-35 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, we got these in the oven. We'll let them cook for about 25-35 minutes. Check on them. Make sure they don't go over browned. Okay, these are done. Try that one. These are really good. I recommend them. You know how to do it. These are good. Give them a shot.